Hey, I'm Renee Ritchie,
And I'm Lori Gill.
and we're from iMore, and we just watched the Apple September event, and Lori, there was like 4 cool things.
There was like 100 cool things, but 4 that were big.
We're gonna break it down to 4. So iPhone XS, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was the camera. I think the new camera on the iPhone XS is pretty incredible, pretty cool, pretty great upgrade.
They studied all these high-end cameras and high-end lenses, and they gave us a new bokeh effect, but you can control it?
Yes. So you can control the bokeh effect from f1.4 all the way up to 16.
Wow.
And it makes it really great.
And second cool thing, there's an iPhone 10 Max. Now, it is exactly the same as the iPhone XS, just biggened, right? Embiggened?
Embiggened. That's a big screen. What's the screen size?
It's 6.5 inches, but in a body the same size as an iPhone 8 Plus.
Not too shabby
So
if you want the plus size.
Yeah, if you want an iPhone, basically if you want the iPhone to be your primary computer, this is the iPhone for you. So curveball, iPhone 10R. iPhone 10 Renee? No, iPhone 10R.
Yes, iPhone 10 Renee.
I am so jealous. The colors for me is the big story here. Like the camera, they can do the depth effect and stuff great. But the colors, it's product red, blue, yellow, coral, which is like a salmony pink, white, and black. Do you have a favorite?
I actually think the yellow is great. And now I know, Renee, you've heard me say that I hate yellow.
Yes.
But for some reason on the iPhone, it looks really cool.
And I like it so much, I almost want to get it instead of the XS.
I know.
All right, last cool thing, number 4, Apple Watch Series 4. So in this, you get a screen on the small watch that is as big as what's been on the big watch last year.
Yeah, it's 32 to 35% larger
Yeah.
screen display. So all the stuff on the screen is that much bigger, even though it's only about 5 millimeters larger overall. Here's something that I learned. It's also about 5 grams lighter.
Yeah,
than
and by
the
volume, it's smaller because they made it thinner, so it fits underneath your cuffs easier.
Yes.
So the iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and Apple Watch Series 4 are available for pre-order now. We're shipping super soon, but the iPhone XR is October, I want to say.
14th, October 14th.
Yeah, October 14th. So you got to wait a little bit if you want that one.
A little bit longer.
All right, so Lori, if people want to find out a lot more about this stuff, they want to know all the details, they have all the questions they want answered, where can they go?
iMore.
iMore.com.
iMore.com.